Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can design a client workflow template in Monday.com, your complete 2025 guide. The first step is to log into your Monday.com account. Now that we're in, let's navigate to the left sidebar and click on Templates. This is where you'll find a variety of pre-made templates. The reason we start here is to give us a solid foundation for our workflow design. Next, search for a template that closely matches your client's workflow. For instance, if your client is in the marketing industry, opt for a marketing-related template. This helps us because it reduces the amount of customization needed and saves us a ton of time. Once you've selected the perfect template, click on Use Template. This will create a new board with the template design. Now comes the fun part, customizing this template to fit your client's specific needs. Let me explain why this matters. By personalizing the workflow, we can better streamline processes and increase efficiency for our client. To customize, click on the board's title to rename it. Then, click on each column's title and rename them as well. Feel free to add, remove, or rearrange columns as needed. This is your chance to make this workflow template truly bespoke to your client's needs. The reason we do this is to ensure the workflow aligns with the client's processes. Keep in mind, each column represents a step in the workflow, so think about the client's process from start to finish. Now, let's add automations. Click the robot icon on the top right and select the automation that fits your client's workflow best. Automations help us by allowing tasks to move seamlessly from one step to another, reducing manual work. And there you have it, a custom client workflow template in Monday.com designed to enhance efficiency and productivity. Just hit share at the top right of your screen, and your client can start implementing their new workflow right away. Thanks for joining me on this quick guide. Remember, creating a client-specific workflow is all about understanding their needs and processes. Keep experimenting, and I'm sure you'll master the art of designing workflows in no time. Until next time, happy designing.